Yo, what is good, you guys? Colton Groves here, back with another video. And I just actually got back from my shift. That's why you see this McDonald's bag. I mean, you know the vibes. That's the vibes we are in right now. We're in a bear market. We are a peak bear market. Shit is ugly. People are scared shitless. People don't even know if their funds are safe. People don't know if their Bitcoin on FTX is gonna be okay. It's not. You're fucked. If you're on FTX, you're screwed. I could probably list about 15 other piece of shit exchanges that have also stolen money, but I'm not going to right now because I don't know them off of the dome. But there's one player left, maybe two. There's a few big players left that are actually safe exchanges that you would not have to worry about your funds being stolen. But, you know, that's also what they thought with Sam Bankman fraud, which it's a little bit weird now. I want to talk about Sam Bankman fraud for a second. They're almost spinning him off now. It's like it started off like, yo, he straight up stole all your money. Next, Bernie Madoff. Now it's switching a little bit. Now they're like, you know what? Sam Bankman fraud was actually a good guy. He's actually he's a nice guy. He made a lot of big Democratic donations. So I don't know. Maybe it's not political. Maybe everyone was just wrong and that he didn't just fraud everyone out of their money. You know, including Tom Brady, bro. Like, you know that shit put a lot on Tom Brady. You know that stresses Tom Brady out, but what can you do? What can you do? So what I want to do, I want to talk about Coinbase. Coinbase is one big player left. You have Binance. Binance is another big player left. Those are like the main two that I trust. I like to use KuCoin to trade futures on. There's nothing wrong with trading. Like, there's still nothing wrong with trading, but you do have to be smart and secure with your money. If you have a lot of crypto assets, why would you have all of those assets on a platform where you're trading? So we're going to talk about Coinbase and how much Bitcoin Coinbase actually owns. We'll do a deep dive on it. Trust is the number one thing that matters in the markets, and especially the crypto market right now. Things are so bad. We cannot have another FTX. Like, we cannot have Coinbase turn into FTX. So that's why I really like Coinbase. I might have some kind of code or something down below if you all want to sign up with Coinbase or have some funds on there. It's not a bad idea at all. First thing I'm going to talk about, this is a little bit of back and forth between Binance CEO CZ and Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong. This is pretty interesting. So, Crypto Twitter reacts to Binance CEO's deleted tweet about Coinbase's Bitcoin holdings. So I'll sort of scroll down on this so you get an idea. I saw this the other day. I was like, no way. When I saw this, I was like, there's no way Coinbase is going to be next. There's no way. So Coinbase custody holds 635,000 Bitcoin for Grayscale. 4 months ago, Coinbase has less than 600K Bitcoin. So yeah, when you look at it in terms of that, it's like, there's 35K missing. Yeah, of course he's going to be skeptical. Which, not sure where he got this from exactly. I guess those are false articles. Not really sure. Now we get some follow-up. Right? So we see a shareholder letter. And in the shareholder letter that Brian Armstrong wrote, he says the company holds 2 million Bitcoin. $39.9 billion worth. And then he claps back with, if you see FUD, know that we are a public company. Public company, that means that all other financials are public. Like, that means that, you know, you can't really hide behind like a smoke screen if you're a financial company. Like, you only can to an extent. Like, there are financial companies out there that inflate their numbers and do some bullshit, but that is like with every industry. But what he's saying here, he's like, yo, at least we're public. Sort of calling out Binance a little bit. So after that, CZ deleted his tweet. He said, Brian Armstrong said it was wrong. Okay, he made it right. He made it right, but it still made people mad. Like just with that, it's because they have so many followers. These are big polarizing figures in the crypto community. These are big opinions. They're gonna make people feel a certain type of way. And I like CZ. I genuinely believe that CZ is operating on the best behalf of crypto, and Brian Armstrong as well. You just have to really hope that they are, because these are like the two most trusted exchanges left. I'll be the first one to say that these are the two most trusted exchanges that are left in the crypto industry. So this right here is something that I found. It's how many Bitcoins does Coinbase own? So this is like public companies. You see MicroStrategy on here. Of course, we know MicroStrategy. Then you see Coinbase on here. It says they own 9,000 Bitcoin. Value today, 149 million. This seems really low. This seems really low for Bitcoin, unless if they have just an insane amount of assets. I know for Ethereum, they had, I want to say it was 3 million Ethereum. They own 3 million Ethereum. So it's like they may just have a ton of every asset, give or take, that they're holding on to, and not just like primarily invested in Bitcoin. But that just means that they still, it's not like a crazy number. It's not anything to make you worried. It actually makes you think that they're doing pretty good with their numbers. They're doing pretty good with their numbers financially. If they only own 9,000 Bitcoin, I mean that's a big if, they could be buying more Bitcoin like as we speak during this bear market stretch. And something that's really interesting to look at about Coinbase, since they are public, this is what's crazy about it, what's really cool. Coinbase is publicly traded. That means that it is a stock. That means that you can purchase this and invest in it in stock form if you would rather do that instead of crypto. This is an absolutely crazy deal that they have going on Webull right now for Thanksgiving. Get up to 12 free stocks. And I just did it earlier. Like I just posted something on my TikTok. Like you can see me. I'm literally like opening like 20 different shares. It's just like fractional share. Like some of them were Snapchat, some of them were Ford, some of them were Apple. And I'm like, damn. Like I was pretty happy with it. I literally just made an account last week. So I mean, if you want some free stocks, I would highly suggest hopping on this deal. So all you have to do is use my referral code in the description. You just sign up, fund it with some money. I mean, literally, I don't know what, fund it with maybe $5 if you don't want to put money into it. Claim your free stocks and you're chilling. And if you wanted to invest in, let's say, Coinbase, let's pull it up. You could buy Coinbase on here. So you can buy the Coinbase stock on Webull. Ain't that cool? Ain't that dope? They don't have a crazy chart to go off of. I remember when Coinbase IPO'd, like people were going crazy about it. I remember some big YouTubers getting railed. They were really thinking it was going to moon. And when mostly everyone knew that it was valued pretty high when it went public. So it went from $340 like opening day, or down here at 45. I mean, it's worth a share. I mean, it's like, if you look at it like that, this is not financial advice, but it's worth a share. It's worth a shot. Why not? Why not, man? If you want to post your plays, post your wins, post your losses, say what's up, or just drop some memes, or, you know, just say hello, do that in the Discord, yo. Join my Discord in the description. I'm trying to build a community here, and every join, every follower helps, you know? Like, we're welcoming everyone who wants to make money. And last thing I want to say for you guys, this is a video that I just dropped, the real reason why Tesla stock is falling. This is a big video to check out. Like, I'm dropping facts. This is what other people don't want to say. Like, this is like the truth that needs to be said, but I mean, a lot of YouTubers won't say it. I can't even say it to an extent on TikTok, or they will just take it down. It's just how life is, man. Like, I can't change it. All I can do is accept it. I love you guys. I hope you click on that video and have a great day. Peace.